never wrong. But if you give it away,